Here, welcome. Now, today we are going to look at this on how to register our ICAN examination courses. Yes, so many of us wish to do it ourselves, but just that the instruction to do it ourselves, the means to do it ourselves is not there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself from the comfort of your home. Now, first of all, what you do is to confirm the amount you are supposed to pay. Confirm the amount you are supposed to pay if you are in foundation level, skill level, professional level. It is specified here: foundation, 1 paper, 2 paper, 3 paper, 4, 5, 6. Any amount of paper you are writing with the amount is there. Check it. Skills, the same thing. Professional, the same thing. Just know the amount you are going to pay, then you walk to the bank and do the payment. Now note, fee are exclusive of bank charges of 300 naira. Bank charges should be made on a separate deposit slip. Now when you go to the bank, you can negotiate with the note counter over there. Some of them will ask you to merge it in one teller, and some will say separate it. So it depends what they ask you to do, then you do. Just know that you are paying a subcharge of 300 naira as bank charges, in addition to the 58,200 naira you have to pay, because we are using 58,200 naira for somebody in skills, writing how many paper? The 3 papers as our aid today. Now, please note this. Payment period. Payment of this examination fee will open from Tuesday 31st January 2023 to Friday 05 May 2023. Please, if you are watching this video after May 2020, after May this year, which is 2020, that is stipulated there, please confirm the amount you are going to pay, either from ICAN website or you walk into their office to confirm the amount. If you are watching this in after May this date, please, because this amount here is specifically for this May diet 2-3. Okay, so if you are watching it after May diet, our advice, you go to the ICAN office to confirm the current prices, or you visit the ICAN website. Now after that, there are requirements that you need to meet, that you need to know before you start the registration. After you must have paid, or before you paid, you can know this. Now number 1 says, scan soft copy of your JPEG format, 20 kilobyte maximum file size of your passport photograph, white background. Please, white what? Background. That is what you are going to use, and it must be on JPEG format. 20 kilobyte maximum file size. Scan it and save it on your system separately. Then scan soft copy of your signature. Sign your signature, then you scan it. JPEG format, 20 kilobyte maximum file size. Also, please scan it and save them separately. We are going to make use of it. I'm going to show you how to make use of it. Now the next thing is your PIN and your serial number. We are going to talk about it soon. Now, other things are here: agreement, submit. I'm going to walk you through all this, but the things I want you to get here is your passport, your signature. Scan them and put them on your system separately, and please maintain the JPEG format. Maintain the size, 20 KB size of the file. You can reduce it if it is more than. You can reduce it from your system. Can edit it, reduce it from your system. Yes, you can reduce it from your system. Save them separately. Then From here, these are important notices that you need to know concerning the exam or the exam. You can read it over and over. Then here, once you have paid, once you've walked to the bank and paid, they'll give you payment receipts. But also know that you can also walk into ICAN office to make these payments. But if the ICAN office is not closer to you, you can visit the bank. I think just visit the bank and make the payment. Any bank in Nigeria, and make the payment. And once you pay, they are going to give you a payment receipt like this. And if you check here now, you see the 58,200 naira, the total amount paid, and you see surcharge, that is the bank charges. Now, please, there is this information I want to pass, very important. Subscription fee. ICAN yearly subscription fee is very, very important. Now, for example, you did your exemption around November last year, which is November, December. That year is gone. January is a new year, right? Now, and you paid for your exemption, which require you pay for your development levy and your annual subscription. Good. Now, when you want to register for this examination, they will ask you to do what? Check your financial status, to check if you are owing. You will check and you will only see for 2022. It will not show you that you are owing ICAN any annual subscription. It will not show you that you are owing ICAN any annual subscription, but know it that you are owing ICAN. And before this your examination, before you register for this your examination, before they will allow it to go, you have to pay for your annual subscription, which is to say you have to go back even after you've paid this amount and register. You will go to a point they will say no, you cannot move further. They might say something error, this some, they'll just speak one English for you there. That shows that you are still owing for your what? Annual subscription. Now, the reason be it why it will not appear on your financial status is that they are updating it and they are following the serial number. Just imagine your ICAN registration number. Somebody is reading 28,000, some 50 something thousand. You understand? So they are starting from what? From first, they are updating gradually. They have not come to your what? Your number. So what you do is just pay, and it will allow you to register for your ICAN examination. It is a yearly subscription. It is not from May to May. It is not from June to June. It is yearly. Once you pay for December, once you made annual subscription December, by December 2022, it is expiring 31st December 2022. By 1st January the following year, you pay another new one. So that is how it works. So that is very important. That is very key to this. So pay your subscription, then you continue with this. It's a yearly thing. If you are writing the exam 2 times in a year, you are only paying once, the subscription once, just for the year. So once you get the next is here, they say for the next step, kindly proceed to the ICAN website, which is www.icanonline.ngr.com/paydirect. So from here now, once you proceed there, excuse me, it will bring you to this place. So once you proceed, it will bring you to this place. Sorry for this. It will bring you to this place. They say enter your ICAN pay direct detail. Your ICAN pay direct detail, which is your what? Deposit slip number and your receipt number. Let's check where this deposit slip number is located. Deposit slip number. Deposit slip number. Yes, I think we've seen it. You see it there. That is deposit slip number. Now, you enter it there. What is the next thing? The next thing is receipt number. Receipt number. Receipt number. Receipt number. Sorry. Receipt number. That is your receipt number. There, you input it there. So once you put those two details here, this will automatically take you to this place. Are you getting me? Now here now, your PIN will be generated automatically. Earlier I said that we're going to talk about PIN and serial number. We are talking about it here now. Your PIN will be generated automatically and your serial number will be generated automatically. Please and please write down this PIN and serial number on a sheet of paper and keep them safe. It is a requirement for you to check your exam results. Now, from here now you can decide, you click to your registration website to continue, or you can decide to log out of here after you must have gotten your PIN and serial number. Then you log into your account, your ICAN account. Then from there you can continue your registration again. Okay, let's assume we are continuing from here. We'll click from here directly. It will bring us to this place. The PIN will automatically appear here and the serial number will appear here. All you need to do is just to put your registration number, you click submit. Now let's assume from here you don't want to proceed from here. You want to write out the PIN and the serial number and log into your account and start. This is what you do. Once you do that, you log into ICAN website. It will show you something like this. Check examination, registration for examination, financial status. Then here you click your registration for examination. It will bring you here. In this case now, you have to manually put your PIN, serial number and your registration number. You click submit. All still works well. Is that clear? Then from there, once you've done that, it will open this form for you, which you are going to fill. This form is on just one sheet form. I have to screenshot it and break it down so that I will explain some things for you. Okay, just a one form sheet that you can fill gradually. Now this place now, this is the PIN. The PIN will show here, the serial number will show here. This is the amount the person paid, 58,200 naira. Your registration number will automatically show here. Now your gender, you know your gender now, male, female. Exam level, you know your level, foundation, skills or professional. Then examination center and venue. Then select tuition center attended. This tuition center attended is a requirement. Some people read on their own. They don't attend lectures, tutorial center. While many attend tutorial center. So even if you don't attend, just choose one tutorial center there and put. But if you attend, you choose the one you are attending and put it there. It is a must for you to fill that space there. Then there is something which is say complete the field above and wait for others to display and continue. That is to say, after you must have filled this field, other columns will be open for you to fill. Sorry, excuse me. Is that okay? Now, from there, other fields are open here now because we fill those places. Let's take a recap of what I explained earlier. Now, gender, male, level, skills, examination center, venue, Oka, Akwa Ibom, Asaba, Delta, whichever state you want to write. whichever state you want to write. Then after, you must have filled those places. Then here, still, I told you it's one form. I just screenshot it so that I will explain in detail. Mail skills examination center, Abuja 1. Country, select your country. The papers, will display here. Then you choose the one you want. Option out means you don't want to write this paper. Then you select your option out. Then if you want to write the paper, you leave it the way it displays there. This person is writing taxation and public sector. If you don't want taxation, you click this drop down and click option out. Then it will go. Then you select the number of course you want to write. Now, this place is last ICAN examination number. If you are writing for the first time, you don't need that. Year of last ICAN examination. If you are writing for the first time also, you don't need that. But if you've been writing before, you need to fill those space there. Your GSM is a requirement, you need to put it. Contact address, you put your contact address along Federal Housing Estate, that's where this person is staying. Luba Abuja, contact Abuja. So, still on that form, I need to explain it in detail so that you understand. Now, select contact state. Now, this thing looks like this. You select your country. Select contact country. We know you are in Nigeria. Do you know that some people write this from Cameroon? Yes. So once you select your state, the state where you want to write it. Then in that state where you want to write it, there is a column that you also select the area you want to write the exams. Is that okay? The area you want to write the exam. Contact town and all that. Now, yeah, if you check here now, just a recap of the form. You see financial reporting, taxation, performance management, public sector, and corporate reporting. Now, if you don't want financial reporting, you click this drop down, then you option it out. You see option out, then you option it out. If you don't want to write taxation, you click the drop down, then you do what? You option it out. But if you want to write it, you leave it that way. Performance management, the same thing. Public sector, the same thing. Or the same thing. Is that clear? I hope you are getting it. Still on the form, this is the option that I'm talking about. Performance management. The person don't want to write performance management, so he's opting it out. You click on the option out and you go. Your email is a requirement. Virtually everything you're going to fill here are your details. There you go, are your information. So it's not difficult registering it yourself. It's not difficult at all. Your contact country, Nigeria. Contact state, you put your state, Abuja, Calabar, whichever. Then the town of the exam. Contact city, where you are, your contact address, where you are staying. You are staying just where you are staying. Then your contact address, your own address. Then after that, now this is the point. If you check here, you see passports. The passport I explained earlier that you should save inside your system, and your signed signatures. Scan both separately on a JPEG format. Maximum file size is 20 kilobytes. Now here you are going to choose a file. Let me show you how to fill this. You choose a file here. Once you click here, it will take you to this place. This is where I saved the passport and the signed document on my system. So after that, which one do you want to pick first? Is it passport? Is it signature? It's left for you. But let's go with passport first. Once you click on the passport, then you click open here. Nothing will display here. It will only show you that a file has been chosen here. Now, a file has been chosen. What file has been chosen? It's left for you now to determine, well, the file I choose was passport. I choose passport. Then you upload your passport. Your passport will appear here. Then you come back here again. After you must have uploaded it, you come back to this place again. Choose file. Then once you click it, to take it to this place, you select your signature. You click open and it will bring you back. Then what file did you choose? Signature. You upload the signature. Once you upload the signature, that one is done. Then if you can see, this is the signature, this is the passport and this is the signature. What you need to do next is this: read this instruction: examination offenses and disciplinary measure. We confirm all entries and submit. By submitting, you agree to the terms and condition of the examination on the institute website www.ican.org and syllabus, including the examination offenses and disciplinary measure. After you must have confirmed that everything you choose is okay, is in line, is correct, they are good to go, the next thing you need to do is to submit. And once you submit, you are done with your ICAN registration. See how simple it is doing it yourself. And the joy will come from you. And when somebody asks you, please, how can I register for my ICAN examination? You will not say, I don't know. I don't know. Somebody registered it for me. I don't know. But with this, you have a knowledge that you can pass to the next people on how to register their ICAN examination. Now from here, before we go, something now. Once you submit, it's going to display something like this for you. Here, your passport will be displayed and your signature will be displayed with all details of your information. This is how they're going to look, and it is strongly advised that you print out this page, attach it with your voucher and your receipt from the bank, staple them and keep it for your own record. Is that okay? Good and fine. Then now let's read this. This is below that form. They say print out this form, attach voucher deposit slip and keep for your record. I said it earlier. Visit the website afterwards 3 days to reconfirm your registration by reassessing this May 2023 retired professional examination completed registration form using the PIN voucher detail. Note, this application is subject to what? Verification by ICAN. Now, if you want to revisit to check if this form has been completed for approval, if it has been approved, you use your voucher detail. Here, you put your PIN, serial number, and your ICAN registration number. Then you click submit. It's going to bring you here direct. It goes to bring you here that then you check, has it been approved, has it not been approved. But there is something very important I want to also let you know about this, revisiting it after the 3 days. Now, if you revisit after the 3 days and you did not see anything, any changes there, it still remains the way it was, don't worry. Your application has been submitted and they have received it. All you need to do now is to go and prepare hard for your exam. Read for your exam. Then after that, read for your exam. See what they wrote here. Please download and print your exam docket 3 days to the date of the examination. Once is this day, once is sorry, the date to the exam, that is 3 days to the exam, go back to the ICAN website using your serial number, your PIN, and your ICAN number, and download your docket. That docket contains every information you need for the exam. Every information you need for the exam. Now, once you print out this form, you can have 2 copies of it. You take one to the ICAN office that is closer to you to get your ICAN pack. They will give you the ICAN pack that is available. If it is not available, they will tell you that this particular course you've registered are not available. But if the one you registered are available, they will give you. And once they give you, they are going to collect this form from you. So that was why I say get it too, so that you keep one for your own use, then you take one to ICAN office to get your ICAN pack. I think that's all you need to know about registration. I believe this helps you. I believe you can do it yourself now. So wishing everybody writing this made diet exam success. Success is yours. Success is yours. Success is yours. I wish you all the best. I pray that God will direct you to read where will come out. Yes, just do your part by reading. Just make sure you read. Yes, it's not a do or die affair, but just do your best. And your best, God will bless your best. And your best will be productive. And your best will be the best that is required. I wish you the best in this May diet and subsequent one as it comes. So thank you very much. Success in your exam. Thank you. Thank you for this. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm always there to answer the one I know I can answer. Yes, I will always give you something to hold on to, that will aid you to continue with what you are doing. But I believe that you can do your registration yourself now. Thank you very much. My name remains Mr. Israel. Please do help, subscribe, share, so that we can grow this channel together. Thank you very much. One love. Thank you.